Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus 5G review. Hi everyone. Today, we'll be taking a look at the newly launched Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus 5G models. What do these sleek and high-performance smartphones have to offer? Before we dive into the review, just a quick reminder, you, my wonderful friend, are my biggest source of motivation. If you want to see more reviews of the latest tech products and stay updated, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give the video a thumbs up. Your support not only brings me joy but also drives me to make more content. Let's get started with the video. Enjoy. Realme recently introduced the 13 Pro series, and now the company has revealed the non-Pro versions, the Realme 13 5G and Realme 13 Plus 5G. Both models feature a similar design and share several characteristics. Let's explore what these phones have to offer. The Realme 13 5G sports a 6.72-inch screen, whereas the 13 Plus 5G has a slightly smaller 6.67-inch display. Both devices feature a 120Hz refresh rate and full HD++ resolution, but the standard version uses an LCD panel, while the Plus model features an AMOLED panel. With their circular camera module design, the Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus 5G come equipped with dual and triple rear camera setups respectively. Both models use a 50MP Sony Light 600 sensor with OIS for the main camera, with the Plus version also including an 8MP ultra-wide lens. In terms of hardware, the Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus 5G are powered by the Dimensity 7300 Energy and Dimensity 6300 processors respectively. The Realme 13 5G includes 8GB of RAM, while the 13 Plus 5G offers an option for 12GB of RAM. Both phones feature a stainless steel vapor chamber cooling system, with the Plus model having a larger cooling block. The standard model supports 45W charging, whereas the Plus model supports up to 80W charging. Both phones are equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. Running on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14, the devices offer a range of AI-powered features, including smart shooting, smart loop, and a game network. Dear friend, just a quick reminder, today is your turn. You can make me happy by subscribing to the channel. Now let's take a look at the features of both phones. Realme 13 5G specifications: display, 6.72 inches, Full HD+, 120Hz, 580 nits, IPS LCD processor, MediaTek Dimensity 6300 memory, 8GB RAM storage, 128GB, 256GB software, Realme UI 5.0, Android 14 rear camera, 50MP f/1.8, Sony Light 600, main camera front camera, 16MP f/2.4 battery, 5000 mAh, 45 watts fast charging connectivity and other, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, stereo speakers dimensions and weight, 165.6 x 76.1 x 7.8 mm, 190 grams. Realme 13 Plus 5G specifications: display, 6.67 inches, Full HD+, 120Hz, 2000 nits, HDR10+, AMOLED processor, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy memory, 8GB, 12GB RAM storage, 128GB, 256GB software, Realme UI 5.0, Android 14 rear camera, 50MP f/1.8, Sony Light 600, main camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera front camera, 16MP f/2.4 battery, 5000 mAh, 80 watts fast charging connectivity and other, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, in-display fingerprint reader, optical, stereo speakers, dimensions and weight, 161.7 x 74.7 x 7.6 mm, 185 grams. Pricing for Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus 5G. Realme 13 5G, 8GB plus 128GB, $215. Realme 13 5G, 8GB plus 256GB, $238. Realme 13 Plus 5G, 8GB plus 128GB, $273. Realme 13 Plus 5G, 8GB plus 256GB, $297. Realme 13 Plus 5G, 12GB plus 256GB, $320. Dear friends, thank you for watching the video. If you want me to review new technology products and keep you updated, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, like the video and leave a nice comment. This will make me happy and feel your support so that I can make more great tech review videos.